Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly exciting to talk about. The 2026 MG Cyberster. This is MG's bold step into the world of electric sports cars, combining futuristic design with high performance. In this video we'll dive into every detail, from its stunning exterior to its tech-packed interior, as well as its performance and pricing. So let's get started. The MG Cyberster is a real head-turner, with a sleek aerodynamic design that pays tribute to classic roadsters while embracing the future. Its low-slung profile, sculpted lines, and aggressive front fascia make it one of the most eye-catchy electric sports cars of its time. The signature LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights give it a fierce look, while the active aerodynamics enhance efficiency and stability at high speeds. One of the most striking features is the scissor doors, which add a dramatic touch, making it feel like something straight out of a concept car. The rear end is just as impressive, with a distinctive LED taillight design inspired by the Union Jack, a nod to MG's British heritage. The Cyberster sits on stylish alloy wheels, designed to reduce drag while maintaining a sporty aesthetic. Step inside and you're greeted by a futuristic cabin packed with cutting-edge technology. The driver-centric cockpit features a wraparound digital display, seamlessly integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The yoke-style steering wheel gives it a high-tech, race-inspired feel. The premium materials, including leather and alcantara, add to the luxurious experience. The Cyberster comes with a state-of-the-art infotainment system offering seamless connectivity, voice controls, and AI-driven assistance. The seats are ergonomically designed for both comfort and support, ensuring a thrilling yet comfortable drive. MG has also equipped the Cyberster with ambient lighting, customizable driving modes, and an advanced sound system, making every drive feel special. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies an impressive all-electric powertrain. The Cyberster is expected to offer both single and dual motor configurations, with the top variant producing around 500 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds. The advanced battery pack provides an estimated range of around 300 miles on a full charge, making it practical for both city drives and long-distance cruising. The Cyberster features a sophisticated suspension setup, ensuring a smooth yet responsive ride. With precise handling and instant torque delivery, it promises an exhilarating driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the MG Cyberster is expected to start at around $60,000, with higher performance variants reaching up to $80,000. For an electric roadster with this level of performance, design, and technology, it offers impressive value. The 2026 MG Cyberster is a game-changer in the world of electric sports cars, blending classic MG heritage with futuristic innovation. Let me know in the comments what you think about this car. Would you consider buying one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.